Alright, so there are some different tools. This is for the create an envelope, minimize boundary and create feature, envelope to polygon. I don't know why they don't use this tool. We could try to use this tool, and for this tool the syntax is create feature envelope management. In feature we put out feature and single out envelope, but we have a multi-feature, so I guess multi-part, but here we can do multi-part and they have a boolean, so we could try it, but we are going to move on to chapter 9. Alright, I'm going to close out everything. Nope, I'm not going to save anything. Alright, for our Python wing, so the first one we're going to have a list. I'm going to clear everything and delete everything. So, and now I'm going to open for chapter 9 that I have my results list. The first one is list rasters. So for list rasters, we will do import ArcGIS from ArcGIS import environment and environment workspace, and that I have my path raster list ArcGIS list rasters, and for raster in raster list we will print raster. And I'm going to run it, click OK, and alright. So, alright, aspect that we have elevation and elevation feed, then we have final. Oh, that because I did a lot, so that's how I have everything here for the raster. And now I'm going to describe things here. Open and describe rasters. Describe rasters. So describe function can be used to describe raster property as well. So now we say import ArcGIS from ArcGIS import environment and environment workspace. We put a path, and raster we put team first, okay, which is tm.image file. And now we're going to describe ArcGIS, and we say that describe raster, and the raster name is describe name and describe type, and we will do everything, and we're going to save and say run, click OK. And raster base name is tm, and raster data type is raster dataset, and extension is .image, and the spatial reference, we have a spatial reference and it's image file, and compression type is RLE, and then the band number is 3. So now we got the information here, and then we add this, and we're going to change it back into our, yep, everything is here, alright? And we're going to put everything into land cover. .tif, save, and then run it, click OK. So, alright, this one we have its land cover, and it returns the result, and we can contrast to TIM raster land. TIFF is a single band, compression band, single band raster. Additional raster properties can be accessed for individual raster bands. For single band rasters, this is implicit, and the raster band does not need to be specified. Alright, so now we're going to go to the second one for raster. Land cover, okay. And so for this land cover, we will do is import ArcGIS from ArcGIS import environment and environment workspace. Oh, not this one, not this land cover. Alright, describe land cover, describe rasters, which one it is. TM band. TM band. Alright. Band, this is layer 1. Okay. Not this one. Alright. Too many that I saved. Reclassify. It's not reclassify. Import our land cover TIFF. Land cover 1. Alright, land cover 1. Okay, right here. So for import, we have ArcGIS and import ArcGIS, import environment. And from import environment, raster resolution. Alright, string and input string plus plus. This, not this one. Alright, then I'm still have to keep looking. Not reclass, slope, not that. Land cover. Land cover 1. I already have land cover 1. Describe. Alright, it's 9. Describe. Maybe I don't have it. We just have to be a little patient and let me look. Alright, right here. Import ArcGIS, and where's in our land cover? So we do not have this one. So then, alright, so import ArcGIS, import environment, and then we will make it land raster, not band, raster. We will equal land cover TIFF, and we describe ArcGIS, describe, and then our raster x equals describe mean, cell height, and y equals describe mean cell width, and spatial reference describe spatial reference, and units we put units reference and linear unit name, and we print the raster resolution is x string by and then string y and plus a space and units and plus a period, and we're going to run it. And the return result is the raster resolution is 30 meters by 30 meter. So the multiple rasters, however, individual bands needs to be specified. And let's look at our TM. The land cover is done, and the TM band is right here. So we import ArcGIS from ArcGIS import environment, and work environment we put the path name. In exercise 09 and raster band, we will do TM image layer 1 and describe. And then we have ArcGIS describe raster band, X describe mean cell height, and we have Y describe mean cell width, and spatial reference describe spatial reference, and units we will have a spatial reference and angular unit name, and we will print the raster resolution of band 1 is string X by and then string 1 and string Y and units and put a period there. So now let's run it. Alright, so it says the name units is not defined. Let's look again. What's going on here? Alright, so we had import ArcGIS from ArcGIS import environment and workspace. We have this, and raster band is layer 1. Okay, describe. We have ArcGIS describe raster band, and X cell size units. Okay, right, units here is angular unit name, and we do have a print spatial reference. Okay, let's see. Is not defined. All right. Okay. Import ArcGIS from ArcGIS import environment and environment workspace, and we do have this, and raster band TM image and layer 1 describe, and we have ArcGIS describe raster band, and we have X describe mean cell height, and we have describe mean cell width, and spatial reference is describe spatial reference, and units spatial reference angular unit name. Okay, let's look at here, print. So we print the raster resolution of band 1 is, string X and plus by, and we have a string Y plus space, and then units plus this. All right, everything looks good. It ran before. Let's see. Alright, we're done with this one. Okay. Okay, so the raster band is okay. It's right here. I think I still do need TM band, so I still do need this import arcpy.sa, and then everything is the same. All right, I just missed this line. Okay, and describe X and Y, and save and run this one. Oh, it's now not working. Print. Raster resolution is let's see what's the issue here. Import ArcPy, and from ArcPy import environment. From arcpy.sa import this environment space is this one. It's 09 raster band TM layer 1 describe. I do have this. X describe this. Spatial reference. Okay, units, spatial angular, units, spatial reference. Alright, spatial reference, print. Alright, and then by. Alright, let's see. That shouldn't matter. Okay, extra space. Plus, okay, no, I'm gonna save it again. Run. Okay, still doesn't like it. Alright. The raster resolution of band 1 is 0.00277A by 0.0027778 degree. This one works. Let's see. What was the issue here? Let's see the path name. Nothing wrong. Path name, copy it. Raster band. Describe raster band. Okay, I have a raster band. And describe ArcPy. Describe raster band. Describe mean cells height and mean cells. Describe spatial reference. Describe spatial reference. Units spatial reference. Angular unit name. Okay, print is plus string x. All right, plus string x plus this plus this. Okay, string y. All right, string y, string x. I'm gonna retype this. All right, press string x plus. So we do have a string plus by and plus string y plus unit plus there. Save and run. There. Okay, I think something wrong with this line. I might just not like it, and now finally everything works. Okay. All right. fix it.